Now before going into the plotting of different quantities on graph, let us first set the units to inches as the parts are originally created in inches. So I will go to tools, options, and here I will change the unit to inch because when we are plotting the results for velocity and acceleration like quantities, in order to get a reliable graph, we must ensure that the units of the mechanism file and the part file are same. Now, the first step in this particular procedure is that we have to go to DMU Kinematics toolbar and select Simulation with Laws. Now here I will get a message that to simulate the mechanism with laws, add at least a relation between a command and the time parameter. So what I will do, the command or the joint, that is the cylindrical 2 joint what we have created before, first we have to define a relation with respect to time in order to proceed further. So for that, here I will go to formula option. Now here I can see the various parameters related to the mechanism. It may happen when you click in the formula toolbar, this list should be very large. So if this is happening, just click here on the mechanism tree so that you should get the display of only these two quantities. So I will select this command and then go to add formula. Now here we have to define the relation in this manner, that is 360 degrees. So for inserting the unit, here I will go to units, and in units we can search, that is degree per second. So divided by again 1 second into, so for inserting the mathematical symbol, here we have mathematical operators. So here we will select the multiplication symbol. So this relation I have to give with respect to time. So here I will select the time parameters, or I can just select the parameters here, then time and mechanism 1 time, and then OK. So here I will say apply, then OK. Now the next step will be I will go to speed and acceleration option, and in speed and acceleration option, suppose first we want to plot the motion of this particular part on this particular surface of the base part. So for reference product we will select the base. Now in order to plot the graph we have to select a point lying on the block. So let us say we select this point, so the software will be plotting the motion of this particular point on this particular part. Always remember that the default running time of animation is 1 second here. So now I will go to OK, and we will just add some parameters also. So I will go back again to speed acceleration toolbar, and okay, no issue, we can adjust these values later on also. So now again I will go to simulation with laws. Again, as we have to run the animation for 1 second, so here I will input the value of 1 second. Here the number of steps we can enter as many as possible, because more the number of steps are, more interpolation points will be plotted on the graph. Now in order to what to plot, we have to go to activate sensors. Now here we have to select what quantities we want to plot. So as we know from our mechanism tree that this particular joint is the cylindrical one joint. So just double click on this. It will be added in the instantaneous value option. Then next I want to plot the velocity of this particular vertex. So here we can go to speed acceleration 1, linear speed along x, and again linear acceleration. So here I get the instantaneous values of these two. So here we have got some default values. Now in order to plot the graph, what we have to do, just we have to run this slider bar from 0 to 1 second so that it completes one rotation. And now we will go to graphics for seeing the graph. So here we can see here that we have got different plots with respect to time of linear acceleration, linear speed, and that motion of the point along the base with respect to time, that is 1 second. Now let us have one more combination. Before that, what I will do, I will just erase these previous values so that they does not get mixed up while going for the other option. So here I will go to history panel and then clear all the values. Now after this, just I can select here, okay, no issue. So it will be removed later on. Now I will close it. Now again I will go to speed acceleration. Again for reference product I will select the base. Now suppose if I want to have a plot of angular velocity of this connecting rod, I will select a point which I have already created in part design workbench on the connecting rod, then OK. Again I will go to simulation with loss, and here we have the default units already set here. So again I will go to activate sensors, and here I have to search for the cylindrical 2 joint. So I will select this cylindrical 2 angle. So here I have got this cylindrical 2 angle here, and here I have to select again the speed acceleration 2 linear speed, that is x linear speed, and then speed acceleration 2 linear acceleration. Now here as we can see here in instantaneous values, there are multiple quantities already coming from the previous analysis, even though we have erased the previous history. So this may result in overlapping of the quantities while performing the analysis. So what I can do here, I can just erase this previous speed acceleration 1, and I will recreate this speed acceleration 2 so that there is no mixing of any quantity. So for reference product, base and point will be this. Now then OK. Now again simulation with loss, again number of steps is 80. So here I will input as 1 second, and then I will go to activate sensors. So now we can see here, okay, so already I have got these values itself, no issue. So what I can do here, I will have to just remove these particular values. Okay, so this is cylindrical 2 angle. I can select this, no issue. So okay, I will select speed acceleration 2, . or speed acceleration 1, linear speed. Linear speed and speed acceleration 1, linear acceleration. So now we have to customize our graph. So for that we will go to options. Here I will go to customize, and in customize I will go to edit or add. Now in abscissa I will select this mechanism 1, cylindrical 2, angle, and for ordinate I will select this speed acceleration 1, linear speed. Okay, then again I will add a new curve. Same, I will select cylindrical 2 joint, angle, and for ordinate I will select the speed acceleration, linear acceleration. Then OK, and then I will close it and just move the part once again so that I get the required motion. And now we will go to options and graphics. So this is curve number 1. Okay, so this is the plot of linear speed versus the angular rotation of the connecting rod. So this is on x-axis, and if we go to the second curve, this is the plot for the linear acceleration versus the rotational moment of the connecting rod. So in this manner we have learnt how to create a mechanism and how to create an animation, and then how to plot velocity, acceleration, and different types of graphs with respect to time and different customized quantities. If you find the video useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. If you have any questions, please type your response in the comment box below. Thank you. Thank you for listening.